What's good, everyone? I'm so excited to be back once again. My name is Hadza, your host. This is the EOS Pulse Show, your home for EOS news, interviews, and giveaways, plus crypto education. I'm so excited to be back. Happy week in advance, guys. Guys, I never miss. I'm always here. I have a number of updates when it comes to DEX 223, EOS Respect election that happened today. I hope you guys know about EOS Respect. These elections have been ongoing for several months now. They happen every month. And we are going to talk about another big aspect concerning blockchain, which is blockchain governance. I'm so excited. So if you're here, please just talk to me via the chat area, and then I would like to know what you guys think about today's show. I know last week we did not really have the open mics. I was quite busy and I couldn't really arrange the open mics. Well, we are live today, and I promise this week we shall be having the open mics, as you know, guys. Now, as you know, we always have giveaways of NFTs and sometimes crypto. Today's show, we shall pick the winners of some crypto at random, but everyone who attends today will have NFTs for free. So just give me feedback on what I'm going to talk about, and then we can, you can be part of the lucky winners. So that's it, guys. Well, today is really amazing, and I'm so excited to be here with you. It's quite interesting that we have this show, guys, and I hope you guys have gained much from these shows that we always host. And well, as you know, guys, I'll be reading some of your comments, so keep jazzing with me. Keep your conversations coming through. I'll be reading some of your comments. Write down your EOS accounts for the giveaways of today. I'll pick the winners of today's show at random by tomorrow. Today I'll send the rewards by tomorrow. Obviously, I never announce when I'm going to make some giveaways, but for that I've announced. So do we have a giveaway, small giveaway? Lucky winners shall be chosen at random. And today I will start with talking about DEX 223. For those who don't know, DEX 223, basically they are the official partners with EOS Support. So you can really get support from the EOS Support 24/7 in over 9 languages. All you have to do is you go to the EOS Support page, create a ticket, and talk to one of the support agents. So as you know, DEX 223, basically, for those who don't know about DEX 223, it's a decentralized exchange for ERC 223 and ERC20 tokens. And if you know about it, you should know that it has a secure system. It has gas efficiency, KYC free. You don't need identification documents. Okay, another big advantage DEX 223 has is that it's fully decentralized and it's built with the Ethereum smart contracts. And also a big change of DEX 223 is that it has no account suspensions, so it's really open and anyone can actually list their token without any limitation. It's fully decentralized. And one of the biggest advantages or things I like about DEX is the fact that you can have margin trading. Okay, imagine performing margin trades on a decentralized network, so it's really amazing. Big shout out to the DEX team for really making this happen. So I saw a number of updates about DEX. There was a tweet that was shared by DEX, and it showed that they have sort of like a 40% less gas fee, and they are using ERC223. Obviously, ERC223 has more advantages compared to ERC20. And tomorrow, actually, there is a monthly recap, okay? And Dexaran will also be live. I will share. I think I will share. I will share the tweet that was announcing that in the chat. Let me try to get it. Let me try to get the tweet. I'm trying to get the tweet for you guys so that you can set a reminder if you want to know more updates about DEX, so here is the tweet. If you want to get a reminder about DEX, there is the tweet. There you go. So that's it. That's the tweet. For those who don't know about DEX, I'll just share a few highlights. And tomorrow, as you know, they're having a monthly recap, so you can just, you know, listen in, set a reminder. Okay. I see a number of you sharing EOS accounts. Yes, though we have a giveaway. Winners shall be picked at random, so nothing you have to do. All you do is just be here. Jamal is saying I haven't received any EOS from last few shows. Winners chosen at random and not every show. You know, we don't do giveaways from every show, but only for NFTs. But for EOS, it's randomly given. But would have announced everyone who is here today could be a lucky winner for today's, you know, giveaway. For today's show is assured. We are going to do a giveaway today. Well, we're still talking about DEX 223, and they had a pre-sale round 1 and round 2, so these were completed. For those who want to perform the ICO public sale, you still have 182 days, 16 hours, 28 minutes, and 10 seconds. So the seconds are moving so fast, as you can see, guys. The seconds are moving so fast. Let me scroll a bit. You see how the time is counting. You know, it's really running fast. I think you can see right there. It's really running fast. So those who want to really participate in purchase of some of these DEX tokens, those who like supporting new projects, go ahead and you know. So DEX is sort of like an official partner with EOS Support. That's why we do promote it most of the time. Now back to explaining a few things about it. Currently there is a public ICO round which is ongoing, and as I've told you, it has 180 days remaining, 82 days remaining, and you can also purchase these D223 tokens with USDT or USDC. Okay, so one D223 token is at 0.008 USD within the private sale. Okay, so public sale is soon going on, but for now we have the ICO sale. Okay, so it's the public ICO sale. Now as you know that the D223 tokens can be purchased during the ICO using Ethereum, USDT, USDC, or DAI on the Ethereum mainnet, and you can also purchase these tokens with ETH by simply sending it to the address of the smart contract. Let me show you the address right here. This is the address right here. Let me try to get it for you. Yeah, this is the address you can see. So for more information, I will share the website. I'll share the website of DEX so that you guys can read more. Then some of the comments, Jamal is saying, but no EOS have been sent to anyone for the past week's shows. The shows, the winners are sent at random. Okay, this show is not intended to give away crypto. All we do here is motivate you to learn more about crypto and, you know, have a conversation on the Web3 platform like the EOS Pulse shows. So don't mind about the giveaways, but for today, for sure, there shall be a giveaway, that one of crypto and NFTs. And if there are any pending NFTs, they shall be sent. Obviously they shall be sent. If you have been here and you haven't received your NFTs, they shall be sent. Don't worry, we have a record of everything that takes place here. So for those that have been here, already know that we do send these NFTs indeed. So that's about DEX 223, and it's really amazing. It's really a good project in my words, and I'm really excited to be, you know, having some few tokens. I hold some few D223 tokens, and it's quite interesting. So you can just go ahead and check it out, read for yourself, check it out. And their philosophy basically is to build a fully decentralized exchange with emphasis on security. Okay, so that's a little bit about DEX 223. Now, in other news, today we had the EOS Respect election, and as you know, this election takes place every month. And today another one happened. Well, I'm not among the delegates this time. I didn't go through, but my brother Wilfred Patrick, I think those from Nigeria know him. I was in the same group with him, so we all voted for him because we liked his ideas. So basically, EOS Respect elections take place every month. So if you want to join EOS Respect, it's a friendly community. All you have to do is go to EOS Support and ask them that you'd like to sort of join EOS Respect, and they will guide you on how. So be sure to everyone who participated. As you can see, several groups where people pitched to, you know, pitch their ideas, and then they were voted for. As you can see in this group, I think there was no consensus for some reason, but in other groups you can see that people really voted. Now, away from that, be sure to everyone participate in the EOS Respect elections. It's really a good way to fundraise and support projects, and some of the giveaways I make, actually, some of the funding comes from EOS Respect. So that's really amazing. Now, let me see some of your chats. Jamal is saying I bought 100k DEX 223 tokens for around what do you mean here, at 90 USD. Wow, Jamal, that's amazing. Yes, Israel is saying hi. Yes, Israel, you're welcome to the show. I'm really excited. Now, today I'm going to talk about blockchain governance in brief terms. Now, if it comes to blockchain governance, basically it sort of refers to the rules, processes, and decision-making mechanisms that dictate how changes and updates are made to the blockchain network. So you should know that it's crucial to know the fact that blockchain technology ensures the security, stability, and efficiency of the network. So I would like to talk more about what blockchain governance is and its significance when it comes to decentralized systems. Okay, so when it comes to blockchain technology, its core is based on a decentralized distributed ledger that enables secure and transparent transactions without a need for intermediaries, as you well know. So this decentralized nature is achieved through a consensus mechanism such as proof of work or proof of stake. So on EOS network, we use delegated proof of stake, as you know. So this ensures that all participants in the network agree on the validity of transactions and changes to the ledger. Okay. However, maintaining consensus in a decentralized network with multiple participants and stakeholders is a complex task. So where governance comes into play, governance on the blockchain network is responsible for making decisions about protocol upgrades, addressing security vulnerabilities, resolving disputes, and managing the overall functioning of the network. So if you have anything else you want to add on what I'm saying when it comes to blockchain governance, please go ahead in the chat area. Adil is saying, is the Saturday show cancelled? No, the Saturday show just didn't happen, you know. Yeah, for one reason or the other, I was unable to host it. I had some other engagements that I couldn't cancel, like, you know, it happens, it collided with something I couldn't really cancel. So for once, I'm sorry I couldn't come through. But this week we have it. I promise those who are interested in the open mics, this week we are going to have the open mics. Adil, I don't know if I've answered your question. Well, I was still telling you about blockchain governance. So there are various components of blockchain governance that contribute to its effectiveness, among which include consensus mechanisms. So as mentioned earlier, consensus mechanisms play a crucial role in blockchain governance, they determine how decisions are made and how the network reaches agreement on changes to the protocol. So different consensus mechanisms have their own governance processes, such as governance models in proof of work or proof of stake networks. We also have another aspect when it comes to governance, which is called on-chain governance. And when we talk about on-chain governance, it is sort of like refers to the process of making decisions and implementing changes directly on the blockchain. So this can be achieved through voting mechanisms, smart contracts, or other on-chain governance protocols. So on-chain governance ensures transparency, immutability, and then you should know it also affects the decision-making processes. So also we should also look at off-chain governance, and basically it involves decision-making processes that occur outside the blockchain network. This can include discussions, debates, consensus building among network participants through forums, meetings, and other communication channels. And I think EOS respect elections are part of the off-chain governance, okay, for example. Now we also have decentralized autonomous organizations, sometimes called DAOs, and these are entities that operate based on smart contracts and automated decision-making processes. They allow stakeholders to participate in the governance of the network and vote for proposals without the need of the centralized entity or authority. So that's all I can share about blockchain governance. And in conclusion, basically, it's like it's a fundamental aspect of the decentralized systems that govern decision making. So consensus mechanisms and the overall functioning of the network are really based on these fundamental aspects. So it ensures that the network remains secure, transparent, and resilient to changes without accommodating the diverse interests of participants. So that's a bit about blockchain governance. I won't share much. Ideally saying you got it. Yeah, so the open mic wasn't there. Israel, I don't know if you have an EOS account. If you want to participate in some of these giveaways, create one. I don't know if you know how to create one, but you can use Wombat Wallet, okay? Download Wombat Wallet. It's the easiest way from Play Store, and create a free EOS account backed up on your Google Drive. So you can create this, and it's really secure way to create an EOS account. All of you are allowed to participate in these giveaways, and I'm so excited that you guys are now active. It's really amazing. So today's show and the rest of the shows will be always short. I've already shared what I had to share. We're almost ending. If you have anything to say right about now, you can go ahead. Zafir is saying, I suggest doing the quizzes again like we used to. We shall indeed. We shall see if we can implement the quizzes once again. So guys, it's quite exciting. That's all I had for you today. Goodbye everyone. I've had a good day with you. We shall meet again on Saturday for the open mics. Thanks for coming through. Those are the updates I had for you. That's all I can share about blockchain governance. DEX 223 is now official partner with EOS Support, and that's why we are always talking about it and trying to show you the relevance of DEX 223. The fact that it's really now using ERC 223, which is a good one in terms of security. Now, I'll take my leave. See you on Saturday, 7 p.m. UTC. I know that we started late, but those complaining about Saturday, we missed. I'm sorry, and I hope you guys now see the value of what we do on Saturday. Well, see you then. Goodbye. Cheers.